Bro, oh my god, bro, oh my god, please keep pumping, bro. We need to hit like 30k minimum, bro. This is actually a terrible bug, but I don't care, bro. I think we can make it to 30k. Bro, come on. Bro, in less than 5 minutes, we're already up here, bro. Just keep pumping, Alright, we're basically at 20k, so what you guys want to do to remove liquidity, go back to the website, click on the minus button, 100%, then remove liquidity. Come on, bro, it's website. Okay, good. Now, and then boom! Oh my god, we just made... Just look at my Phantom wallet, it's unreal. I've made well over $433,000 in the past month launching meme coins on the Solana blockchain. Stick around and I'll walk you through exactly how I did it step by step. Bro, are you tired of losing all of your money trading these stupid meme coins? Well, I'm sure you are. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you guys can be creating these meme coins yourself and making a shit ton of money. So if we go over to a random ass meme coin like this one, for example, they all have one thing in common, is that they all start here, pump up, and then just dump all the way down. Things you guys need to understand is that the traders and the developers, the traders will never make the money, or it is a slim chance that they sell here, but most of the time people stay until it drops. Now, who gets all of this money? It is the developer. Look at this developer sold at the very top, which means that he took out the liquidity and he potentially walked away with $200,000. This strategy that I'm about to show you is fully repeatable, and you can do it as many times as you want until you are satisfied or until you are rich. And I'm telling you, the feeling is like none other. This is why this strategy is one of the best. So if we go over to the website coinlabs.fun, this is the website where you will be able to create your own meme coins and possibly make thousands just by creating shitty meme coins. But before we get started, I just want to make it clear that this video is purely for educational purposes only, so please do not copy me but enjoy the video. Now, the reason why you guys will want to create your coins on coinlabs.fun is for a couple of reasons. First, there is no coding required, so you guys do not have to know how to code. Second of all, your coins are instantly launched on the Raydium DEX. Now, what is the Raydium DEX? It is basically when your coin hits the graduated category. So when you create your coin on coinlabs.fun, your token will instantly be put here and you will get way more buys. Here it is more visible to everybody which coin is being created. Now, if you were to create your coin Pump.Fun, this is the reason why you shouldn't, and it's basically every single coin that is created on Pump.Fun needs to go through a bonding curve when your coin hits like 90,000 in market cap, and that takes a shit ton of time. It takes like 30 minutes to bring your liquidity pool from Pump.Fun to Raydium. It's just a big waste of time, and yeah guys, you will not get as many buys as you would on the Raydium DEX. So this is why Coinlabs is the way to go. Now, my favorite way to create tokens on coinlabs.fun is to copy trending meme coins. Now, what this tab is a website going through thousands of shitty meme coins trying to find the ones that are proven to making you money. The other thing that it does lets you create the exact same coin, everything the exact same thing, so you don't have to code it, you don't have to add the website, you don't have to do anything other than creating the coin and adding liquidity to the coin. Now, these coins are all proven, as I said, to making you money, and the strategy I use is I find a high enough market cap for a coin to copy while refreshing the list that has a last bought in under 15 seconds. So all of these coins that you see right here are bound to making you money, and it is impossible for you to lose money. Now, for example, if we look at soldiers, soul, like Solana jurors, see that, bro, I would create a coin right now. See, for example, frag, like it is a frog and a frag grenade. That is a good coin. Soldiers, like soul, like Solana soldier. See, oh my days, all of these coins have infinite potential. You guys just need to create these coins. Just a quick disclaimer, this is Mr. Munyon from the future. All of these rugs that you guys are going to be seeing, they're only 2. Basically, I'm on a trip and those are my last 2 recorded launches that were actually pretty good. So that's why y'all are going to be seeing them a hella ton because I am on vacation. Alright, so we're going to create a coin right now. We're going to refresh the list. So, okay, this coin is over 30,000 market cap. Last bought about 15 seconds ago. Has a valid narrative. So we're gonna create the coin. Just gonna write my password. Now don't mind this, just proceed anyways. Confirm, I understand. Confirm. All right, now the website is currently creating my token, so all you have to do is wait, and then boom, that is your coin token address that has been created. Now if we go over to create liquidity pool, you guys are gonna want to create for the token A, put it to 90%, and then the token B, which is basically the liquidity in the coin, anywhere from 0.3 to 0.5 Solana is a good liquidity. So what we're gonna do for the sake of the video, we're gonna put 0.3 Solana. Now all we have to do is create pool and the coin should be live. So we're going to be creating the pool. Give it a couple of seconds. All right, so proceed, and then boom, the pool has successfully been created. Now give it a second, and then boom, our token is successfully created. Now we have a liquidity pool for said token. Now all you guys have to do to see your coin is click on view, and here is the coin. Now this is a couple minutes after the launch, and bro, this coin is already at 16k, dropping a bit. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to remove the liquidity. Now how are we gonna remove liquidity? Well, if you're to remove liquidity, which I don't think I will, we're gonna press minus, then 100%, and then click remove liquidity. And then if you were to proceed, you click confirm, and then your liquidity should have removed. So we just made what, like 13k in a matter of 5-10 minutes. It's as simple as that. Hopefully this video gave y'all clarity on how you guys can create your own meme coins. Join my free Telegram in the description down below. My website is also linked there, so you guys can launch your own coins very fast. And until the next one, peace.